Here's some drone video from Copala. The drone's just getting ready to take off in front of the church. I'll try to narrate this, but we'll see. The town has about 400 people. It's 2,000 feet in altitude in the Sierra Madre mountains. It's hard to see the homes because there's so much vegetation around. The trees are huge, and the homes are kind of nestled down the hill, and it's hard. We can't even see the roads into some of them. About all you can see are their roofs. The church is coming into view on the left-hand corner, the roof of the church. You can just see the main road coming up from the right. You can see it snaking up between the homes. That's the road we came in on. And the building that just came into sight now is the restaurant. It has a patio. Now you can see it. The restaurant has a couple of cars parked in front of it. The long, narrow building on the right used to be a souvenir shop. It's closed now. You can see the patio, plaza, and gazebo. More trees. Actually, there are homes down in there. Looking up again towards the mountains. The church comes into view again, the long white roof. These mountains are still being mined. Since the town was discovered in 1563 or 4, there have been silver and gold mines in these mountains. Pause it here now for a minute. See that pad there and the road leading up from it? That's an exit and off-ramp from the Durango-Mazatlan highway. Comes down the hill to a really nice parking lot. The only problem is there's no way from the parking lot into the town unless you come by horseback or walk. And the residents of the town have been able to convince the governor to make a better way into the town. More homes nestled down on the lower edge of the mountains. It's a beautiful area. You get here by coming up the old Highway 40, which is called the Devil's Backbone. For good reason. It's one curve after another.